Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my Foodmas number 2 and this is my African style chicken balls. This is a very tasty recipe and you really need to try this for Christmas. Please keep on watching this video if you want to know how to make this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. So for this recipe I'm going to use 4 big chicken breast, and of course it depends on the quantity you want to make. And then I'm gonna use chopped onions, and I have here half a chopped onion. I'm also gonna add some parsley, but this is optional if you don't like it. You need 1 egg. I am also going to add some hot chili. I have here some mixed spices, and this is from Granny. And of course you need some salt to taste. You also need some garlic granules. I'm gonna add 1 onga chicken cube stock, and it doesn't have to be onga, okay? Just a normal chicken cube stock. And then I'm going to cut my chicken breast into small cubes because we are going to blend this. If you are able to find chicken mince, please use that, but it's not common here where I live. So if like me you can't find any minced chicken or chicken mince, don't worry, you can make your own in your food processor. Okay, so just blend it but not too smooth. This is just perfect. Next, transfer the chicken mince into a container, and this is how it should look like, not too smooth. And then I'm gonna add my chopped onion. So this is half a chopped onion. I'm gonna add my parsley, just a little parsley, my egg. Then I'm gonna add half the packet of my mixed seasoning. I am also going to add some salt to taste. Make sure you taste the salt before, if it's okay for you. My chicken cube. I'm also gonna add some garlic. So this is about less than half a teaspoon. And then I'm gonna add my ground chili, and the amount depends on your personal taste, so you might need to add more of this of that spice. And then mix everything together. Make sure you mix it well. Next, I'm going to cover this with some cling film and let it sit in the fridge or freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm taking the cling film out of it, and it has been sitting in my freezer for about 15 minutes. So now the next step is very easy. Just form some little balls with it, and I also have a trick. But in the meantime, make sure you heat up some fresh vegetable oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot, add in your chicken balls. You can also use a spoon if you don't want to do it with your hands, because this can be a bit soft. Okay, so just use a spoon, you achieve the same results. And make sure you let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, and then turn them over. Okay, and then here I'm going to cover it just for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the inside is well cooked. Okay, and this is it. My chicken balls are ready now, and I'm going to take them out of the pan. And here I'm going to show you, as usual, a close-up of this, and as you can see, it is perfectly cooked. This is my chicken balls. And here, if you wanna add some more parsley or more onion, please do. Okay everyone, so this is my African style chicken balls. You can decide to add or remove any spices. You can add vegetables if you want, but these are very plain but tasty chicken balls that you can prepare for Christmas, for this festive season, as a side snack. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you all for your support, and I shall see you next time for another Foodmas recipe. Until then, take good care of yourself, and I hope the Christmas shopping is going on well for you guys. Okay. Thank you all, and God bless you. Bye bye.